Okay, I replaced that resistor that was burnt with a random one. So we're going to plug it in and see what happens. If it blows up, I really don't care. Okay, here we go. It's not turned on, but I'm going to plug it in. Wow. Okay. Don't tell me I fixed this freaking thing by just replacing a burnt resistor with a random one because I didn't want to invest in a schematic. I am genuinely shocked right now that nothing went up in smoke. What the hell? Well, there's no way I'm going to be this lucky again. Set the camera accordingly. Look at me, Jordan. You, no jump cuts. No edits. Let's turn the light off. Oh. Well, we're going to cut it here because I need it bailing.
There's no way I can pull together $100,000 in 24 hours.
But if all the books look like this one,
right? Yeah. Well, maybe they can come up with the
Getting better. Okay, it's VHF.
I'll see what I can find out about
The picture's a bit snowy.
At Walton University, we get the W.
Except for it, and I find that I'm a much nicer
fixed
person.
it. This is a fail so far. You have a bit of vertical fold over. Oh, here's this. Seems to be working a little bit.
temperatures were
So yeah, I fixed it.
than where we ended up
Totally blown away by this. Like, what the hell? Yeah, the picture's a little noisy.
In the low 70s. We don't have a whole lot of wind right now.
But there's no
Satellite
weird
radar completely
squiggly
quiet,
stuff.
for the time being. But when you zoom out, we do have some more weather coming eventually. That is off.
So yeah, I'm gonna let it run for a while.
It's been there.
Still going strong. No weird geometry or whatever other bizarre effects were going on. The smell. No burning smell, just that weird plastic smell.
What's a grim? You don't know what a grim is? No. He's one of a kind.
Time for a cooling cycle.
At the time of their death.
And?
These people probably don't even tie their own shoes. There were over 200 names, and not a duplicate.
Alright, that's enough.
Except one.